Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial on NailPossible. In this video we're going to make this golden snowflake design with some striping tape accents. We apply a base coat as always. For the base color, I'm going to use this white polish with golden shimmer. We clean up the cuticles. And we apply a bit of liquid latex. For this design, I'm going to use this plate I'd received to review from Born Pretty store and a gold polish. We're going to be using this image here. And we stamp it on all the nails, rotating the stamper a bit so each nail has a different design. We remove the liquid latex. And now we're gonna add some red striping tape to our design. Let's cut some pieces first. And now we're ready to apply them to the nails. We cut off the excess and repeat on the rest of the nails. We clean up any residue if necessary. And we apply a top coat to seal our design. And this is the finished golden snowflake design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!